Ever feel like your browser is cluttered and hard to navigate? Today, I'm going to show you how to master your Microsoft Edge favorites and favorites bar, making your browsing faster, organized, and stress-free. First, let's customize the visibility of your favorites bar. Open Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Appearance. Under the Toolbar section, you'll see Favorites bar. Click the drop-down and choose Always, Never, or Only on new tabs, depending on how you want it displayed. Accessing your favorites is just as easy. Click the star icon in the toolbar to open the Favorites pane. You can pin it for quick access or close it when you're done. Adding a page is simple. Navigate to the site, click the star, and select Add Current Tab to Favorites. For better organization, create folders by clicking Add Folder in the pane, name it, and press Enter. Drag and drop favorites or folders to arrange them how you like. Need to rename or delete? Just right-click and select the option you want. To keep things neat, you can even sort everything alphabetically. Right-click on the favorites bar or folder and choose Sort by Name. Instantly cleaner and easier to navigate. By mastering these steps, your Microsoft Edge favorites will be perfectly organized, letting you find what you need in seconds. Give it a try and see how much smoother your browsing can be.